For crypto beginners, understanding crypto slangs can help you buy the dip and hodl through a wave of FUD, especially in a bear market. If all of this sounds very strange to you, welcome to the crypto world. In today's episode, I'm going to explain to you common terminologies that every crypto investor should know. Hello, welcome to another episode of Crypto Q&A session with Blooming, where I answer your crypto question in 1 or 2 minutes. If today is the first time we're meeting, hi, I'm Blooming Omoren, your money coach. Follow me on all social media platforms for more exciting content. So let's jump straight into today's class. First, what is FUD? FUD simply means fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So FUD is generally a strategy to negatively influence the perception of a certain crypto or coin by spreading negative, misleading, or false information about a particular asset. This is to prevent other people from buying this particular asset, or probably to also instigate people that already own this asset to sell. And the goal of this is to suppress the price of this particular coin or token or asset. By so doing, smart investors or FUDers, as they call them, will be able to accumulate a certain asset or crypto or coin at a much lower price. Next, what is HODL? HODL simply means holding a particular crypto asset for long term despite the decline in price or the market volatility, and this is usually for 5 to 10 years. Again, what is HODL? HODL simply means you buying an asset and holding it for long term irrespective of the decline in price or the volatility in the market, and usually hodlers hold their investment for 5 to 10 years. So now let's go back to the opening sentence. Understanding crypto slangs can help you buy the dip. What does that mean? Buying the dip meaning when the price of an asset goes down, then you can buy it for cheaper, right? So understanding crypto terms can help you buy the dip and also to hodl. HODL means to hold for long term, right? To hodl through a wave of FUD, meaning that wave of FUD, you understand what FUD means, right? Meaning that when there's so many negative, misleading, and false information being shared over the internet or over the news about a particular investment, you don't fall for it, right? You still hodl, you still hold it, especially during the bear market. Bear market is usually a period whereby there is a lot of negative news in the market. For example, inflation is high, there is recession, unemployment is high, there is a war in Ukraine. So many negative macro events going on in the economy. So usually a bear market signifies a downturn in the market. So we've come to the end of today's class. If you have any question or comment, let me know in the comment section below, and make sure you share this video with your friends and your family. And until then, I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye. Follow me on all social media platforms for more exciting crypto content.